Now I'm going to show you how to cut the tomatoes. This is also one of the very important vegetable. So let's see what are all the types in it. Let me show you how to cut the roundels of tomatoes. So first remove this eye. Make sure don't waste too much. Now let's slice it. Thin roundels. Now I'm going to show you how to dice the tomatoes. After this, you can cut it again 1 by 2. These are all the big dices. And for small dice, cut it like this. Then 1, 2. Now I'm going to show you how to slice the tomatoes. That is julienne. So again, cut it 1 by 2. This can be cut in 2 different slices. One is like this. Again, turn it. Now this is the other type of slice in an elongated, lengthy way. Now I am going to show you how to chop the tomatoes 1 by 2. Now keep it inverted. Now let's chop it. So first slice it thin. Whenever you are cutting the tomatoes, your knife has to be very sharp, because if your knife is blunt, then all the water inside the tomatoes will come out. That means that your knife is not sharp. Now chop it. So chopping is done. Now if you want to have a small dice, that is brunoise, then give little thick slice first. Now give it a small dice. Now I am going to show you how to make juliennes of tomatoes. So before making juliennes, I am going to show you how to de-seed the tomato first, so that you can julienne it without seeds. So cut 1 by 2, then again 1 by 2. Now keep the knife flat. You have to insert the knife on the one end, then slice it till the other end. So now you have removed the seeds. Just remove the seeds with this knife. That's it. Now for juliennes, you can fold the tomatoes like this, flat. So this is how thin juliennes. Even thinner if you need, you have to remove the flesh to the most how much you can by keeping the knife flat. That's it. See, now only the skin of the tomato is left. Now do the juliennes. This is mainly for garnishes. Now I am going to make it julienne by keeping it together. That's it. See how many varieties of cuts of tomatoes. This is the fine chopped tomatoes. This is brunoise or very small dice of tomatoes. This is fine juliennes, big dice, small dice, thin slice, thick slice, and roundels of tomatoes. Let me give you a few examples of how to use these cut of tomatoes in your dishes. Suppose roundels of tomatoes, this can be used for garnishes, or you can use for the green salad, or even for the sandwiches. And this big dice of tomatoes, or we call it as quarter tomatoes, it is used for finally finishing up the Indian curries, or we can use it for stewing in between the meat as a shashlik. And this thick slice, thin slice, small dice, brunoise, and all these types of tomatoes can be used according to your choice, according to the recipe you are doing it. Then finally, chopped tomatoes and juliennes. This juliennes can be used for garnishes mainly, which gives nice appealing for the food. So that's about the tomatoes.